Hello dear students, good morning. How are you all? So we'll continue with our chapter 17. We have discussed the over extraction of fossil fuel, and we have also discussed the fossil fuel, biogas, solar energy. Now we have the another fossil fuel that are renewable resource of the power, that is said to be hydel power. So that the next biggest sources of energy in thermal power is hydel power. As you can see the picture that are printed in your book, that is the hydel power plants. Okay, and if we discuss about the wind power, so air is also another important source of the power or energy. So have you seen any time of the windmills? The wind power is converted into mechanical power and electrical power also by the help of windmills. You can see in also a small picture that are printed in your book, wind power. They all are the very good source of the energies. They are not limited in amount. Air is everywhere. Okay, so we can use it. Now we will discuss the solar cooker. Before the discussing, guys, out of all fossil fuel, natural gas has cleanest environmental record. When it is burned, it emits only carbon dioxide and water. And I think in our last life classes I have told you the CO2 is not a pollutant gas. Means it's not a pollutant of the, it can't pollute the environment. Okay, now we'll talk about the solar cooker. So you know very well the sun is only the resource of the energy. So the sun has been radiation an enormous amount of the energy. The very small part of the solar energy that are able to reach the our outer layer of the earth atmosphere. Number of energy. Have you heard a black surface? And that is the fact. Black surface absorbs more heat as compared to white. Have you heard then in summer days we can wear a light cloth? Am I right? We avoid the black color shirt or pant also to wear. Why? Because the black surface absorb more heat. So on that particular days, means on summer days, we are wear white cotton light cloth. Okay, so that is the effect of the energy that is absorbed by the black surface, and less absorption as compared to the black, means white absorb less. So on that time the solar cookers achieve a higher temperature by using mirrors to focus the rays of the sun. Solar cookers are converted with glass plate, and they also solar cookers covered with glass plates. Okay, now we will discuss some action plan of management and protection of environment. So firstly, there is need to be how to protect our environment and what the things we can do to protect our environments. Firstly, there is only one things we are also in 8th class, we plant more and more trees. And we had a 4R approach. 4R approach means recycle, reuse, reduce and refuse. So it's our duty to conserve natural resources for coming generation. It is very necessary to use the appropriate technologies which should be locally adaptable and eco-friendly. And one of the most important things, there is need to be aware the pupil. Okay, to adapt to these type of technologies, okay, technology also. But nowadays nobody is doing. So it is our duty to aware the pupils about towards the over extraction of fossil fuels and protect our environment also. So management of waste and also protect the environment. Action plan in the waste management has 4 stage, means 4R approach. So first we'll discuss the recycle. So all those items which can be recycled like metal, paper should be used. A number of materials we have found in our environments that we recycle, but what the other hands we can't do it because nobody wants to do. If nobody can reuse the paper, whenever we need we tear the paper in the notebook or whatever book, and after use we can throw it in the dustbin. But that particular paper, when we recycle it, we can prepare, we can make a wonderful greeting card. Now reuse means all those items which can be used again and again, like plastic plates, glass, should replace those which are not reusable. Okay, and reduce, that is the very important. The amount of garbage generated should be reduced to minimum. Okay, that's our also this is our duty to reduce the garbage production of the garbage or the generated of the garbage, and try to generate the minimum garbage and refuse all those items which pollutes environment. That is our duty, that we are not required. Whenever it is not required, so are not and cannot be recycled, should be avoided. On those type of items, unnecessary use may cause damage. So during the last century, human has depleted the natural resources. Conservation of resources is very important in the contest. Statement of Gandhiji will not be about the reference. There is enough on this earth to meet everyone's need, but not everyone's agreed. Yes, obviously no one agreed. So on that chapter, what we have discussed, or what you will learn, and what you have learned on that particular chapters. Protection of environment is very necessary, so do like that as much as possible. So that is, they were the last topic of our chapter 17. Thank you so much, and read the textbook chapter 17 and complete the exercises that are given in your book in page number 239. Okay, so man's intervention in natural phenomena, and we will discuss another chapter in our live classes. Okay guys, thank you so much.